Hello बच्चों. A set of information is 10 persons are sitting in a circular manner equidistant from each other. All are facing from the center, away from the center. So now a set of pointers are given to us. We will use them and try to solve. It says C, D sits together. So we don't know where C and D will sit, but wherever they sit, they will be sitting together. And there are 10 people, so we will have 10 pointers with us like this. It says I is second to the right of H, who is not the immediate neighbor of D. If I say H is sitting here, then right hand side will be towards the right hand side, and second to the right, I will be sitting here. And we know that D is not the neighbor of I. So we will mark D is not possibly sitting here. Now next, only one person sits between A and B, taken from left hand side of A. And another information which have a common A is that G sits immediately to the right of J, who is second to the right of B. So we will combine this information, and for this information we can have possibly four positions for B, and accordingly we will be having positions for A, J and G. So we will have four cases here. We will use these cases to identify the final answer. So we know that H is sitting here and I is sitting here. So in all the cases we will make this. In first case, if we place B here and we are given that there is only one person between A and B, and if we take from the left hand side of A, then means A will be sitting at this place. And now we are given G is the immediately neighbor of J, who is third to the right of B. Third to the right of B means J is the immediate neighbor of A, and automatically G will be sitting here. Now this same pattern will be followed for the other cases, that between A and B there will be only one person, then A will be the neighbor of J, J will be the neighbor of G. So we will move. So if B is sitting here, then A will be here, then J and then G. Moving further, if B is sitting here, then A will be sitting here, then J and then G. And similarly, if B is sitting here, then A will be sitting here and then J and G. This will be the thing. Now next we are given that J is sitting at the same distance from A as F is from H. We know that between J and A there is no person sitting, they are the neighbors. That means F and H will also be the neighbors. And we are also given F is third to the left of E. Now, if H and F are the neighbors, then F should also satisfy this condition to be a neighbor, to be third to the left of E. Now, if we try to place in first, the only possibility for F is to be here. In that case, E will be at which position? F is third to the left, then E will be here, but here I is already there. So that means this case is eliminated. Now, in this case, F will be here only because there is only this possible. In this case, E will be sitting on this position. So we will eliminate this case. This case is eliminated now. E will be sitting at this position. In the second case, if we try to place F here, E will be sitting third here, but that is the only possibility. And in the last case, if we try to place F here, E will be at the place of B, which is not possible. If we try to place F here, then E will be at the place of I, which is also not possible. So that means this case is also eliminated. So we will eliminate this case now. Now we are left with only two cases. Now moving further, we are given C and D sit together. So that means there should be two places vacant together. Two places vacant together. If we see in this, in one of the cases, there is only two places that are this and this. No place which is together is vacant, so this case is also eliminated. So we are left with only one case where two positions are vacant together, and those two positions are for C and D. But we are given that H is not the immediate neighbor of D, so D will be the neighbor of G and C will be sitting here. So this is our final arrangement. We will use this arrangement to solve the questions. The first question says, who is sitting sixth to the left of A? As they all are facing away, so left of A will be towards this direction, and 6 to the left of A is now C. So option B is correct. I hope you understood well. All the best.